Want to know the secret to turning your home into a buyer magnet? Spoiler, it's not a chocolate fountain in the living room, although tempting. I'm Donia Karimi, and I help you make smart moves in real estate. If you're thinking about selling or just want to build equity, these are the upgrades that can give you the best return for your money. First, paint. A fresh coat in light natural colors like soft white, warm gray, or beige can make your home feel brighter, larger, and move-in ready. For many homes, interior painting may cost roughly $3,000 to $8,000 depending on size and prep work. It may not have a simple fixed ROI, but it often helps prevent buyers' objections and can make a home show much better online and in person. Second, curb appeal. Buyers form an idea before they even get through the front door. So focus on clean landscaping, fresh mulch, trim shrubs, pressure washing, and a welcoming front entry. A basic curb appeal refresh might run around $500 to $3,000. If your front door is tired, a steel entry door replacement average around $2,400 nationally and has been reported to recoup more than 200% of its cost at resale, though that number varies by market. Third, minor kitchen updates. You don't necessarily need a full remodel. Think updated cabinets, hardware, modern lighting, a new faucet, refreshed counters, or painted cabinets while keeping the existing layout. A simple cosmetic kitchen refresh may be $3,000 to $15,000, and a more complete minor kitchen remodel averages about $28,000. With national cost versus value data showing roughly 96% to 113% of the cost recouped at resale. Fourth, bathroom refreshes. Recaulking, updating mirrors and vanity lightings, replacing a dated faucet, and adding fresh hardware can make a bathroom feel clean and current without a major construction project. A cosmetic refresh may cost around $1,500 to $8,000. However, a mid-range full bathroom remodel averages approximately about $26,000 nationally and may recoup around 74% to 80% at resale. Bonus tips. Lighting matters more than people think. Replacing dated fixtures and using warm, bright bulbs can often cost just $300 to $2,000, but it makes a major difference in listing photos, video tours, and buyer showings. Don't believe me? Ask the neighbor who sold in one weekend after swiping out those 90s brass fixtures. Sometimes it's the little updates, not that $100,000 in model, that get buyers excited. And here is the big one. Don't over-improve. A luxury kitchen might be beautiful, but if the comparable homes in your neighborhood don't support that price, you may not get your money back. Major upscale kitchen renovations can recap far less than a smaller, well-planned refresh. If you're thinking about selling and want to know which improvements make sense for your home, your budget, and your neighborhood, follow me or send me a message. I'm happy to help you create a smart pre-listing game plan.